forms in part part B program. Once again, students. So what we have done in the first lab, in the last lab, I have created a first form. I have created this form. So what I do here, students, in the first I'll run this form. I'll run this form. Insert a designation ID. Yes, if you, I'm opening the syllabus. In the syllabus, you can see in the question they have given clearly that the designation table should contain the static value. The static values are the designation ID of manager. ID 1 is for manager, 2 is for project leader, and 3 is for engineer. So according to this, I'll enter the data designation ID 1 for project manager. I don't know whether it will take or not. Yes. Why it is not taking any idea? Before entering only I was having this doubt. Yes, see the error. Error nodi, ಏನು error ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. See the error, students.
TBL underscore designation, table name.
See the error, what error it is showing. One second. Students, tell me what error, why I am getting this error. ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಗ.
ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ? Will you tell? Anybody? Any answer? Those who have executed yesterday?
Table name.
See, students, one, without doing any changes, without debugging the error, once again I'll run the program. I'll not debug the error. I'm getting the error, but I'll not debug that, and I'll run the program. Yes, the data has inserted successfully, but just now I executed. That time why I got the error? Please don't waste the time. You anybody know? Nane helbeka? Yes, students, I'll give you 1 minute time. I'll give you 1 minute time, and again I'll run the program. I'll run the form. You observe the error, what error we are getting. ಎರರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ. 1 minute time I'll give to think.
ಎನ್ಕ್ಯಾರ್ದು ಸೈಜ್ ನಾವು 10 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆ.
Anybody got the answer? Shashank?
Yes, ma'am.
Suru Shashank, will you try? Pratibha? Apurva K? Apurva?
Ma'am.
Any answer? No answer.
Ma'am, there in table we have given NCAT size as 10, ma'am.
Very good. Correct. Yes. So here I was giving project manager. The size was more. When I was executed the just now once again I executed. No, I just gave PR and manager also I gave in short. Yes, correct. See students, when I created the go to the server explorer, go to the designation table, open the table definition. In the table definition, students, the size of the designation value, the size I have given NCAT 10. So that is the reason why it was truncating. If I change it to 20 and now save the table. I told you this why I told you this error you are getting. In the next lab I'll tell you the answer. So I'll tell it later. But you understood, no? Why I was getting that error? Yes, students, understood? Yes, after doing changes, I'm saving the file. Yes, students, I'm getting this warning. What warning I'm getting? That is, save a text file. You cannot save changes that would result in one or more tables being recreated. Yes, this warning I am getting, no? Yes, to resolve this error, what we have to do is, I told you in last class, I told in next lab I'll tell. So go to tools, students. Go to tools. Yes, you're listening? You're following, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to tools, options. Here you have database tools. Select database tools. There just now, so I have didn't know. Tools, database, tools. Yes, click on table. Yes, students, you I'll show the steps once again. You can write down. Yes, when I was modifying the database, when I was modifying the table, I was getting some warning. To avoid the warning, what warning it was giving is, if you modify the table, it will recreate the table. For that, you have to store you have to save the text file. Each time I don't want to save the text file. So what we have to do for that is go to tools, select options, go to tools. I'm repeating, go to tools, select options, and here select database tools. In database tools, select table and diagram option. Table and diagram option. Here you uncheck this last option, that is prevent saving changes that require table recreation. Uncheck this and click on OK button. Click on OK button. Yes, now I'll save the table. I'll not get that warning now. Yes, students, yes. ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಆ ವಾರ್ನಿಂಗು? Yes. Okay. I'll run the program. Insert designation ID 1, designation name, project manager. Yes, the data inserted successfully. Go to Server Explorer, go to designation table, check whether the data has inserted or not. Yes, the data has inserted, that is project manager. Insert aitalva, the data has inserted. Now, yes students, now coming to form 2, come to form 2. Form 2. Yes, I want to run now. I want to run form 2. But form 1 is running. Now what to do? What to do, students?
Ma'am, you have to go to program.cs, then change there.
Very good. Yes. Now we have to go to program.cs file. Go to program.cs file. Program.cs file. Here you change to form 2. So by default, the form 2 will run. So till now, by default, form 1 was running. Yes, students, you may ask doubt again and again. I have to go to form 1, go to program.cs file, and I have to change form 1 and form 2. No, don't do that. What we will do is, yes, students, this is form 2 now. In the form 1 only, I have given one link, that is employee designation. So this link is redirecting to form 1. So now my default form is form 2. My default form is form 2. In form 2, I have given the link for form 1. Artha aagta idya? Yes? Okay. In form 2, what we have done? In form 2, what we have done, EID, employee ID, employee name, contact number, designation, and ID of reporting to. So this, and we are displaying also. Yes, it is working. Insert is working, display is working, and employee designation, it is redirecting to form 1. Yes, students, now coming to the question. In the question, The first query enter new employee details with the designation and reporting manager. Reporting manager. Manager ID is what? Manager ID is what, students? 1. So we have inserted the data. Once again, we will insert the data. We will insert the details. Employee ID 10, employee name Sunil, contact number, designation ID 2. 2 is for project leader and reporting to 2. Insert. It is not showing any error and it is not showing the message also. It is not showing any error and it is not showing any message also. So what I do is I'll stop debugging and I'll go to the database and I'll check in the employee details table whether the data has inserted or not. No, that data is not inserted. That data is not inserted. So I'll check once again. Employee ID 10, employee name Sunil, contact number, designation ID 1, designation reporting to 3. Yes, students, no need to go to the database and check whether the data has inserted or not. Here in the display only, I can check whether the data has inserted or not. Yes, the data has not inserted. So maybe some error, some issues there. We'll check that. So before we check that error, I'll show you form 3. Yes, students, form 3. See here. In form 3, I have taken one label. I have taken a label and I have taken a combo box and a text box and the grid view Coming to the question, in the question, what we have is display all the project leaders in a grid. So in a grid, so this grid we have now to display the details, we have taken the grid. So in the grid we need to display, all the project leaders reporting to the selected project manager. So under project manager, for the project manager, how many project leaders have reported? how many project leaders have reported that we have to display. So to execute this query, we need grid view. Yes, we need grid view now, students. Beka, respond. We need grid view and we need combo box. We need grid view, we need combo box, and we need one text box. So I have taken here combo box, text box, and the grid view. Now if I want to run a form 3, what I have to do? Again, I have to go back to the program.cs file, and here I have to make, instead of form 2, I have to make form 3. No, I don't want to do that. So what I do is, in form 2 design, I create one button. I take one button. I take the button. I label this button as query 1. Why query 1, students? Oh, no, query 2 I'll give, because that is a second query, no? Following, why I am taking one more button? Yes, students, following. Yes, is it going? Is it going to form 3? Hogta idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What I have done is, I have taken one more button. And I have labeled that button as query 2. And what could I have written in that query 2 button is form 3 form is equal to new form. See, this form is an object. I have created an object and I am using a show function. I'm using a show function or show method to display that. Yes, yes, students, if you have any doubt also, you just put your mouse pointer on the show method. You just keep your mouse pointer on the show function. You can see, you can observe what it is showing. Void control dot show, display the control to the user. So here this line is used to display this control. So how I am displaying this control? When I click on this button, query button, it is showing, or it is displaying form 3. I'll run and show. If I click on EMP designation, then it is redirecting to this form. If I click on query 2, it is redirecting to this form. Yes? Understood how I have done? Yes, students, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write the query. Go to form 3. So here what we have to do is, here if I select project manager, yes, what is the question? display all the project manager in a grid view reporting to display all the project leaders, display all the project leaders reporting to project manager, reporting to selected project manager. So here select the project manager in a combo box. So I have to take project manager in a combo box, and in a text box what I have to take? Project leader. In a text box I have to take project leader. Yes, see here I have written the code. Yes, students, um, so I have taken here a text box 1. Which is text box 1? This is text box 1. So in the text box 1 I have written a query. What query I have written is, if combo box 1 dot text, combo box 1 dot text is nothing but this combo box. If combo box 1, if this combo box 1 dot text is equal to project manager, if it is equal to project manager, then select employee ID, employee name, contact number, ID designation, ID reporting to from employee details table, where ID reporting to is equal to, text1 dot text. What is text1 dot text to students? What is text1 dot text? What is text1 dot text? Any idea? Any answer? What is text1 dot text? That is project leader. Project leader. If that is matching, then it should display the details in the table, and using the data grid view, it should display all the details on the form. Now I'll run this form. Before I run, I need one button. Okay, students, I'm getting some error. It is not retrieving the data. I'll try it. I'll try it once. But till now, whatever I have explained, all of you understood how to redirect forms, and how to design the form, and how to give a link, how to how to display the data. Understood? Understood, all of you? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನೋ doubt ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, then I'll stop here, students. For you people also continue 3 hours .NET. It will be hectic. So shall I stop here, students? If you have any doubt, you can ask. And you don't have any doubts regarding internals, no? Tomorrow, 1 more hour I have in the afternoon. If you want me to do revision, I will do revision. Okay, students, I'll stop here. Answer attendance for lab. Answer attendance Aditya. Ajay. Ajay. Amit. Amit. Antima. Apurva.
Present, ma'am.
Ashwini. Ashwini is absent. Bindu.
Yes, ma'am.
Divyesh. Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am.
Gautami.
Present, ma'am.
Gunashekar.
Present, ma'am.
Harini. Harini. Surya. Nayana. Nazma.
Present, ma'am.
Nidhi. Pradeep. Pradeep. Preeti.
Present, ma'am.
Rajesh. Sahadev.
Present, ma'am.
Saket. Santosh. Seema.
Yes, ma'am.
Sinchana.
Present, ma'am.
Spurti. Suru.
Present, ma'am.
Varsha. Yashashwini.
Present, ma'am.
Amruta. Amruta. Anusha. Apurva.
Present, ma'am.
Sai Siddharth. Chetana.
Present, ma'am.
Kavya. Madhushri.
Present, ma'am.
Manish. Sarfaraz. हाँ मैम. मुर्गेश.
Present, ma'am.
मुत्तुमणि.
Present, ma'am.
परेश. परेश. पूजा.
Present, ma'am.
प्रशांत. प्रतिभा.
Present, ma'am.
प्रतीक. साधना. शशांक.
Present, ma'am.
श्रद्धा.
Present, ma'am.
श्रीधर.
Present, ma'am.
Tanuj, Tejaswini, Ummehani,
Present, ma'am.
Ashish, Vidya,
Present, ma'am.
Vishal, okay students, I'll stop here.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Sinchana present, ma'am.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಮ್ಮ.
Ma'am, Kavya present, ma'am.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾವ್ಯ?
Ma'am, Gautami also.
Gautami, now you connected Gautami.
No, ma'am, I attended previous class also, ma'am, but my phone is not
Okay. I marked Gautami.
Okay, ma'am.
ಯಾರು? ಸಿಂಚನ I marked. ಕಾವ್ಯ ನಾನು ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಾವ್ಯ, okay. Next, who else? Varsha, Amruta, Anusha, Sai Siddharth, Manish, Paresh, Prateek, Sadhana, Tanuj, Tejaswini, Ashish, Vishal, absent. Okay, students, I'll stop here. See you in the next class.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Case study innovative. ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಳ?
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನಾಳೆ ಇನ್ನು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಇವಾಗ?
ಮೆಸೇಜ್
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸರಿ, ಆಯ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay, but once again tomorrow theory class I have, no? In the class I'll repeat once again.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ absent ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. Almost many of the students they have left the meeting. Tomorrow I'll discuss and I'll message also.
Okay.
Okay, students. And case study, the material I'm going to share in the GCR. Case study material. Today I'll share.
Okay.
Okay, students. See you in the next class.